ladies and gentlemen, we are from Kilometer 47 Child Development Center to perform a book entitled Snap, a peek through book of shape.
Let's play a game, says Crocodile. I have a super spare. Look, high and low, and shout out, snap, when you have found its pair. One spies a harmless snake. It has a big round shell. Its shape is called a circle. Can you spot one as well? Dolphin dives into the sea and spot a spinning stone. Now try to find another one. Look closely, it's not far. Puppy climbs a pretty cat. He makes it dive and float. Can you see its pointed twin in this high-flying bird? Pretty good like to party now. She wears a special hat. This shape is called a triangle. Now find one just like that. Cat's noisy track goes toot toot toot. It's big and bright and blue. The shape is called a rectangle. Can you find number 2? Monkey has a tasty treat. It shapes just like a heart. Can you find the other one? Great job! You're super smart! Shapes are all around us. We see them everywhere. Let's play a final matching game and find out every pair.
Alright, that was the performers from Kilometer 47 Child Development Center together with their teacher, Ma'am Agnes E. Dumapias. Alright, so allow me to present the certificate of participation to our Kilometer 47 Child Development Center. We call on Sir Enrique Donaire, Ma'am Caroline Hernando, and our sponsors for today, Mr. Eduardo de